According to you friends, Janitor AI is not working using reverse proxy due to multiple reasons. So here's another updated working video in which we will be using Kobold AI. To use Kobold AI, all you have to do here is to select Kobold AI API from API settings, and then you need to paste here Kobold AI API URL. But how do we get that Kobold AI API URL? It is so simple. Open your Google and search for this Kobold Google Collab, and then you will find these two links, Collab Kobold TPU and Collab Kobold GPU. I recommend you to use TPU edition for better reliability. But for some reasons, if it is not running, you can also use the GPU edition. So click on any of these and the notebook will open in Google Colab. Here, if you are on phone, you need to run this cell, that is tap this if you play on mobile. After some time, you will see this audio. Play it so that your tab will be alive. But since I'm on desktop, I don't need to play it. But if you are on mobile, do not skip this step. It is important. In the next cell, we need to select the model. For this video, I will be selecting Neris. But for you guys, I recommend you to select this Genway model. Trust me, it is better than Neris. And after that you need to select the version, so make sure to select the united version, that is important, or else your API won't run. And then if you want to use Google Drive, you can use it, but I won't use it, so I will uncheck it and then run this cell. It will take some time to finish executing this cell. If you are using TPU, it will take approx 15 minutes, and if you are using GPU edition, it will take approx 5 minutes. If you see this loading model tensors 100% completed and TPU backend compilation triggered, then you are ready to use the Kobold AI API. If I will click on this first link, I will see this Kobold AI interface that is hosted on Cloudflare. And the fourth link is the API link for that Kobold AI. So copy it and paste it here in Kobold API URL. If you will click on this check Kobold URL, you will see nothing because I think that button is broken. So save these settings and you are ready to chat using Kobold AI. But you may also find this error, that is max length must be greater than equal to 1 while chatting using the Kobold AI. So to fix this, go to generation settings and change this max new token value to something between 1 to 512. I will keep it 505 and that error will go away. And now everything is working perfectly. So this is how you can use Janitor AI using Kobold AI API. But remember one thing, that every time you want to chat with any character, you need to run that Kobold AI collab notebook in the background and then update the new URL in Kobold AI API URL.